Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Today we have 6 tiny figures to do an unboxing. Those are Dragon Ball World collectible figure, the historical characters. If you watch the first Dragon Ball from season 1 to season 5, those are the main characters. We're going to do one by one. Right here on the side of the box they show you which one is the first and which one is the sixth. Those are 6 of them. I got all of them, and all of them they came of course with the toy animation sticker for authenticity, to make sure this is not a bootleg. Even they're small like this, they are still original. Alright, we're going to open them one by one, and right here we see that the first one is Goku. Alright, first one is Goku, second one is Bulma, third one is Master Roshi, fourth one is Krillin, fifth one is Yamcha and Puar, and Mercenary Tao Pai Pai. Okay, Mercenary Tao. Alright, let's do an unboxing, see how they look like. If you want one of those, I will leave the link down below. You can get one, you can get all of them like I did. I get the whole set. I did like them. I didn't see them yet to like them. I just like the box and how they look from the picture. And even tiny box, it have the code. That means it's a good thing. They're not bootlegs. Also, if you like my channel, guys, please subscribe, a like, and comment down below. Tell me how you like those figures. Watch my old figures, I have a lot of them. Came in 3 parts. Goku in the Nimbus cloud with a stand, also with this little leg right here. Bandai Spirit, you can see it. And the figure by itself. There is Goku flying in the Nimbus. It is really cool. I like the design, also the colors. The molding and sculpture is beautiful. This is the first outfit, is the blue one before the red one when Master Roshi gonna give it to him. And also we have it written in his head, that means it's original. It have a little bit of weight of it. It's not hollow, so it's full molding, and it's pretty good. The first one so far is good. Goku right here, and I love this stand is transparent. And here is Goku right here flying in the Nimbus. Alright, let's keep going. I'm going to the second one, which is Bulma. And if y'all remember, I did the unboxing of this Bulma lately. If you didn't see it, you can check my videos. The full size from Glamorous Figures. I'm going to get her in a second so you can compare the size of those two. And we'll see how they look like. It's Bulma 3. And they have 2 of them. One is A and one is B. I have B. I didn't get A, which is this pink dress with the green hair. The one I got is the yellow dress with the purple hair. The same thing, 2 stands, stand and a leg. Bulma is right here. He's looking mad already. So beautiful. Sculpting is gorgeous. The colors that are really popping out. Super job for small tiny figures like those. And Halima, she's with us today. She's going to tell us how she liked those figures, and she's gonna give us her opinion too.
Hey guys.
So she's going to to tell us, and also she's going to compare those figures. Alright, let's move to Master Roshi. And we're not going to put him near Bulma. We don't want a fight in here, but also there's a number in the plastic. This is really cool. I like small details. Here's Master Roshi with one single tooth, flying around after girls.
Okay, you really need to put him inside of Bulma.
Yeah, I know. She's gonna smack him on the face. It's really beautiful. Fantastic job also with those sunglasses and the beard and everything. Alright, I'm going to put him together. I'm going to open Krillin. And I feel that those small tiny figures, they're really hard to make, just because that paint job and that molding is so small, you can
It's pretty.
tell so quick if there is something wrong with them. Kid Krillin with his cute little eyes. I guess he's running away. He heard something, or something is wrong between Master Roshi and Bulma, and he's running away with his with this beautiful little tear right here, sweating tear. Maybe he did something wrong. Beautiful job. Fantastic job.
They really are good made. I love them.
Alright, Yamcha and Puar. This is number 5 in the collection.
I like it.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
They are.
Oh yeah, Yamcha is beautiful. That's my first Yamcha. I don't have Yamcha. And Yamcha and Puar both in one figure. This is really cool. There he is. He's the biggest one. Look at those details.
Wow.
Man, this figure is 3 inches. Can you give me the measure?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. It's right in the second drawer.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Alright. You can see Puar hanging his arm right there with all those beautiful, gorgeous colors. And I'm pretty sure it's not even 3 inches.
No, it
Yep.
is
3 inches. 3 inches with all those details. And the price on those is really cheap, man. They're probably what? Less than $10?
I think it was $11.
$11?
So that's pretty made.
He's
Look at-
really
look at
pretty made.
Puar. Wow.
A lot of details.
Mm-hmm.
And the
And
colors,
the face
everything.
impression and everything. It's so
Yeah, like
pretty.
I said, you know, those small figures sometimes they are so much better than big ones. With all those details. Oh wow. Mercenary Tao is beautiful. And I will show you also Mercenary Tao. I have him in the same position in the
Oh, wow.
SH figure 8. If you didn't watch that, go guys to my old videos and you will find the SH figuarts.
Figures, yeah.
I have the Mercenary Tao with the same position, which I'm going to show him in a minute. When we're going to do the close-up to all those figures, I will show Bulma and Mercenary Tao, both. Those what I have. Actually, I don't have any big Master Roshi. I have Krillin, but I can show him too, but it don't look the same position. and I don't have any big kid Goku. Mercenary Tao is beautiful also, like all of them. Kill you in the back, the same as the anime. And flying on the what is this one? The
Ooh,
anyways,
I
he took
cannot
this one
remember.
from a building, and he throw it so he can fly to it to go to Goku at that time with
To try to kill Goku.
yes, to try to kill Goku. He gonna fight with him. Mercenary Tao flying on the pillar, and
Upa.
Upa. Yes, Upa. This one is not with them. I want just to show that he was with him in the episodes. And all right, let's do a close up and put him with put those Mercenary Tao with SH Figwarts and Bulma with also the Glade and Glamour's figures. We will see how big they are, and we're going to do a close up to those figures. I'm going to leave you with some music, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye, guys.